Greetings, my name is Timothy Collinson. I'm the Faculty Librarian for Technology, and this video is going to take you through how you can actually find a journal title, not journal articles, but a journal title. And it used to be that this was relatively complicated. If I share my screen with you, you should hopefully be able to see that. I'm going to start from the library homepage, library.port.ac.uk. But now with our new discovery system, it's a little bit easier. So I'm going to go to Search Library Resources up here in the top right-hand corner. And you may have seen me do this in a previous search on how to use the library catalog. And this is exactly the same kind of the same tool that we're going to do a similar kind of search. This time I'm going to search for, let's say, The New Scientist, which is a periodical that we take in print in the library, and we can also access electronically. If you do want to see it in print, you'll find the current issues near the cafe. Back issues get taken away, but you can always ask for them if you need to see them. And then you can see that in the results here, it's going to search for New Scientist right the way through all of our books and our journal articles and conference proceedings and so on. But that's not particularly what you want. It's actually popped up in the featured results here, the publication New Scientist, which is kind of nice, but that doesn't always happen. So I'm going to show you the publication finder. Over here on the left, you can see under Research Tools, it says Publication Finder. So if you don't happen to have your journal pop up to the top of the results, this is where you need to come, and you could search for, let's say, The New Scientist again. Of course, this isn't particularly necessary for this search because we just saw it in there, but just to show you how it works there. And you can see the journal New Scientist here is something that we take, and we actually have access to it in 4 different places. So you can see it in Academic Search Ultimate from 2002 to the present. You can see it in Computers and Applied Sciences Complete from 2002 to the present. And which you pick there, given that they're both the same, will just depend on your preference for perhaps which front end you prefer. Press Reader is slightly different in that it gives you page images, which some people prefer, but you'll only find it from 25 to this year, essentially. It's only just been added to Press Reader, so it's quite a new feature on there. And you'll also see it in print journals available in the University Library. Indicates that we do actually take this title in print as well. We've got it right the way back to 1956, although as it says, it's an imperfect run, so you might find that certain issues were missing. If they are, and they're not on the electronic databases, then of course we can try and get it through Interlibrary Loan. But that's, if I accept the things there, we can get rid of that. That's really how you can find a particular journal. If you need to do that, let's just look for something else, say the Journal of Business Ethics, popping up there just for comparison. And you can see there it's actually finding a number of titles that match that search criteria, but it looks like the top one is the one that I was after. And again, there's 3 possibilities for where it might be, from 1982, but with a delay for 4 years, and from 1997. So again, it depends what year you need and what front end you prefer to use. So that's entirely up to you. All of those should give you access to that particular title. So I hope that's given you a little introduction in how to find a particular journal title. Go to Discovery, as we've done before in other videos, and then go to the Publication Finder down on the left-hand side, and hopefully you can find the title that you want. If you're very fortunate, as you saw, it might pop up to the top of a general search as well. So thank you very much. If you've got any questions about that, please don't hesitate to come back to us, and we'll do our best to answer them.